Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nail Studio. Get ready to unleash the wild side of nail art. Today we are taking inspiration from nature's most mesmerizing creatures, sleek, bold and absolutely breathtaking. These designs will leave you spellbound. Some creatures rule with confidence, their pattern powerful and untamed. These nails channels that fearless energy, deep colors, striking textures, and a look that demands attention. These nails capture that magic with hypnotic tones and a shimmer that never stops dazzling. Nature is full of creatures that stand out with electrifying colors. These vibrant designs bring that same energy to your fingertips. Bold, fearless, and absolutely stunning. Some creatures captivate with their rare beauty, their textures and colors unlike anything else. These designs bring that uniqueness to life, turning your nails into a masterpiece of nature's inspiration. Which of these wild and stunning design is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping nail art inspirations. See you in the next video with more nail art inspirations and more fascinating ideas.